Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Google Maps and making sure location services are enabled. This lets the app orient the map. Next, search for the address or manually pan and zoom until the target area fills the screen. Once you see the right block or landmark, press and hold the exact spot on the map to drop a pin. This long press creates a temporary marker and reveals details at the bottom. Make sure the marker sits precisely where you want it before moving on. Once the pin appears, tap the card at the bottom to open its detail view. This is where you refine the location. You can save to a list, add a label, or tap share to send coordinates. If the pin isn't exact, press and hold a new spot or drag the marker if your device supports it. This corrects placement for navigation or sharing. Make sure to choose the right save folder or label so you can find the pin later without searching again. To finish, tap directions to navigate to the pin, share to send coordinates, or add to favorites for quick access. This completes the practical use. If you expect poor reception, download the area for offline maps so the pin and routes remain available. If the pin disappears or won't save, make sure Maps has storage and location permissions, clear cache, and restart the app. If problems persist, update the app or reboot your phone to resolve lingering glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.